Good morning, students. In the previous class, I completed exercise 2B, in which I explained you the division of fractions. Today, we will do word problems on fractions. These word problems consist of multiplication and division of fractions. So, first I am explaining you example 11. Ethan ate 3/5 of a cake. How much cake did he eat if there was 1/2 kg cake? See here, given means what is given in this question. What is given? Ethan ate 3/5 of 1/2 kg cake. Ethan ate 3/5 of a cake. Ethan ने एक केक का 3/5 पार्ट खा लिया. 3/5 means, students, what is the meaning? If we take a cake, suppose this is a cake, and we are doing 5 equal parts. 3/5 means we are doing 5 parts of this cake. 1, then 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have done 5 equal parts of this cake, and Ethan ate 3 parts of this cake. He has eaten 1, 2 and 3. Then how many parts left? 2/5. Because out of 5 parts, 2 parts are left. So it is known as 2/5. Now how much cake did he eat if there was 1/2 kg cake? How much cake was there? It was 1/2 kg. 1/2 kg means 500 gram. Because 1 kilogram is equal 1000 gram. It means 1/2. Half kg means 500 gram. Then how much cake did Ethan eat? See, we will find 3/5 of 500 gram. Because 3/5 of 1/2 kg cake means 3/5 of, in place of 1/2 kg, we will write 500 gram. Then we will solve it. 3/5 of means you know as multiply. Then multiply 500. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 0 0. 3 into 100 means 300. See here, 3/5 into of means into 500. Then 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, 0 0. 100 3 ja 300 gram. It means therefore Ethan ate 300 gram of the cake. Now students, other example, second one, example 12. Gauravi used an orange to make 2/3 glass of fruit pulp. Gauravi used an orange, one orange, to make 2/3 glass of fruit pulp. गौरवी ने एक ऑरेंज का यूज करके 2/3 ग्लास फ्रूट पल्प बनाया. हाउ मच फ्रूट पल्प कैन बी मेड यूजिंग 30 सच ऑरेंजेस? इफ शी इज यूजिंग 30 ऑरेंजेस, देन हाउ मच फ्रूट पल्प विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड? सो हाउ वी विल सॉल्व? 1 orange to make 2/3 glass of fruit pulp. It is given, and we have to find 2/3 of 30. As students, you know, if from one orange, if we can make 2/3 glass of fruit pulp, then using 30 oranges, we can make more pulp. 2/3 glass means, if we are taking one glass, a glass, see, like this, it is one glass. We are doing its 3 equal parts, 1, 2 and 3. And when we use one orange, then it's 2 part. This and this 2 parts are filled with fruit pulp. Now if we use 30 oranges, then more fruit pulp will be used. And you know, for more, what do we do? Multiply or divide? We have to multiply. So 2 upon 3 of 30. When we solve it, 2 upon 3 of means into 30, 3 10 is 30, then 20. 10 to the 20. So therefore Gauravi can make 20 glasses of fruit pulp using 30 oranges. Now students, first I will explain some word problems given in this exercise 2C. I have copied these word problems in my register. Okay. So I am not reading these word problems from the book. I will read from my register. See. First word problem is Bari bought 2.5 kg of tomatoes and he also bought onions that were 3 times the weight of tomatoes. Find the weight of onions. Bari bought 2.5 kg of tomatoes. Bari ने 2.5 kg tomatoes खरीदे. 2.5 how much? What do we call 2.5 in Hindi? In Hindi we know it 2.5 kilo. Okay. Students, you have heard your mother saying that 2.5 kilo tomato. Yes. So this is the same thing. So Bari bought 2.5 kg of tomatoes. Bari ने 2.5 kg tomatoes खरीदे, and he also bought onions that were 3 times the weight of tomatoes. And he also bought onions and weight of onion was 3 times of the weight of tomatoes. So how much onions he purchased? How we will solve it? We will write that weight of tomatoes. How much? 2.5 kg. This is a mixed fraction, student. We will change it into improper fraction. 2 to the 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 5 upon 2 kg. Now what is the weight of onions? Weight of onion is 3 times the weight of tomatoes. We will write here now. Weight of onions is equal 3 times the weight of tomatoes. 3 times the weight. I have written this weight in short. Weight of tomatoes. Now 3 times means 3 times means into. As we write in place of into, in the same way times means also into. Weight of tomatoes is 5 upon 2 kg. So students, you are observing, you are looking that we cannot simplify this 2 by this 5 or this by this 3. So we will multiply this 3 into 5. 3 5 is 15 upon this 2. 15 upon 2 kg. And when we divide this 15 by this 2, see here. 2 7 ja 14. Remainder is 1. It will be 7 is to 1 upon 2 kg. 7 is to 1 upon 2 kg. We will write answer. Therefore, find the weight of onions. Therefore, the weight of onions is 7 is to 1 upon 2 kg. Come to next question. Harish had 30 pieces of sweets. Sweets means मिठाई. हरीश के पास स्वीट्स मिठाई के 30 पीसेस हैं, और वी कैन से स्वीट्स एज टॉफीज ऑल्सो. सो हरीश हैड 30 पीसेस ऑफ स्वीट्स. हरीश के पास स्वीट्स के मिठाई के 30 पीस हैं, या हम कह सकते हैं 30 टॉफीज हैं. इफ ही एट 7/10 ऑफ देम इन 1 वीक. If he ate 7/10 of them in 1 week, उसने 1 वीक में इन 30 टॉफीज में से 30 स्वीट्स में से 7/10 पार्ट 8 खा लिए. हाउ मैनी पीसेस ऑफ स्वीट्स डिड ही ईट. उसने स्वीट्स के कितने पीस, हाउ मैनी कितने पीस खाए. तो टोटल कितने पीस हैं? टोटल नंबर ऑफ pieces of sweets. How many pieces? 30 pieces. Harish ate sweets. Harish ate sweets. हरीश ने स्वीट खा ली. कितनी खा ली? 7/10 of them. Them means these 30 pieces. 7/10 of 30. Now we will solve it. 7/10 of means into 30. 0 0 cancel. Then what is left? 7 into 3. 7 3 ja 21. So how many pieces of sweets did he eat? We will write here answer. Therefore he ate 21 pieces of sweets. Clear? Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, in a school there are 480 children. एक स्कूल में 480 चिल्ड्रन, टोटल 480 चिल्ड्रन हैं. इफ 1/3 of them are boys. Out of these 480 children, 1/3 are boys. What is the number of boys? 1/3 part. Find the number of boys. We have to find number of boys. That out of these 480 children, how many are boys? So how we will write it? We will write total number of children. Total number of children 480. Then number of boys. What is the number of boys? Number of boys is 1/3 of them. Them means these 480. So we will write 1/3 of 480. Now we will solve it, simplify it. 1/3 of means multiply 480. Then 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3, 1 remainder, 18, 3 6 ja 18, 0. It means 1 into 160. 161 ja 160. So, number of boys is equal 160. I think students, these 3 questions are clear to you. Now come to question number 4. A student lives 5 kilometers from the school. Again, a student lives 5 kilometers from the school. एक स्टूडेंट स्कूल से 5 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पर लिव्स रहता है. He travels 3/5 किलोमीटर ऑफ द टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय बस. टोटल डिस्टेंस का 3/5 किलोमीटर वो बस से ट्रेवल करता है, बाय बस ट्रेवल करता है. एंड वॉक्स द रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस. और जितनी बची हुई डिस्टेंस है वो पैदल चलता है. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? ए स्टूडेंट लिव्स 5 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम द स्कूल. एक स्टूडेंट स्कूल से 5 किलोमीटर के डिस्टेंस पर रहता है. ही ट्रेवल्स 3/5 किलोमीटर ऑफ द टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय बस. और टोटल डिस्टेंस का 3/5 पार्ट वो बस से ट्रेवल करता है एंड वॉक्स द रिमेनिंग डिस्टेंस, और बाकी बची हुई डिस्टेंस वह पैदल ही चलता है. हाउ फार डज ही ट्रेवल बाय बस? हाउ फार डज ही ट्रेवल बाय बस? वह बस से कितना ट्रेवल करता है? वी हैव टू फाइंड डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय बस ओनली. Student, we will not find the distance traveled walked by him or her. We have to find distance only traveled by bus. So what is the total distance? Total distance to be covered. उसको कितनी डिस्टेंस कवर करनी है? टोटल 5 किलोमीटर. And out of this 5 kilometer, students, according to me, in the book it is written 3/5 kilometer, but according to me it should be only 3/5, not kilometer. So total distance to be covered is 5 kilometer. उसको total कितना distance cover करना है? 5 kilometer. And he traveled by bus. He traveled by bus. बस से उसने कितना ट्रेवल किया? 3/5 of the total distance. So 3/5 of what is the total distance? Total distance is 5 kilometer. So we will write 3/5 of 5 kilometer. Now simplify it. 3/5 of means into this is total distance 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. So it is 3 into 1. 3 into 1 means 3 kilometer. So how much distance he traveled by bus? Therefore, how far does he travel by bus? Therefore, he travels. Students, in the question, this is the word does. When in a question there is this word does, then we add here s or es. He travels, therefore he travels 3 kilometer by bus. Okay, student. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5 is a cylindrical rod of length 15:1/5 meter is cut into 12 pieces. Find the length of each piece. What is the question? A cylindrical rod of length. Suppose, students, this is a cylindrical rod and its total length is 15:1/5 meter. A cylindrical rod of length 15:1/5 meter is cut into 12 pieces. Now this rod is cut into 12 pieces. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. This rod is cut into 12 pieces. Find the length of each piece. We have to find length of each piece. Each means one piece. We have to find the length of this one piece. So we will write first total length of the rod. What is the total length of the rod? It is 15:1/5 meter. It is a mixed number. We will change it into improper fraction. 15 5 ja 75. 75 plus 1 76/5. 76/5 meter. Now total number of pieces. Number of pieces. How many pieces? Into how many pieces we have to divide this rod? Into 12 pieces. we have divided this total rod into 12 pieces. Now length of each piece. How can we find length of each piece? So students, how can we find? By multiplying this 76 upon 5 into 12 or 76 upon 5 divided by 12. Student, this rod is 15:1 upon 5 meter and we have divided this rod into 12 parts. It means length of these 12 parts is 15:1 upon 5 meter. So length of one part, we have to find length of this one part. It will be less than this. So we will divide it. We will write it 76 upon 5 divided by 12. Now we will do it as we did division in exercise 2b. It will be written as 76 upon 5. Then change this divide into multiply. Then reciprocal of 12 is 1 upon 12. Now we can simplify this 76 and 12. We can divide it by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4. Then 3 remainder, 5 6 7, 3 remainder 36, 4 9 ja 36. It means 19 upon 5 into 1 upon 3. So 19 1 ja 19 upon 5 3 ja 15. Now it is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator, so it is an improper fraction. We will change this improper fraction into mixed number by dividing 19 by 15. 15 1 ja 15. 9 minus 5 4. 1 minus 1 0. So it is equal 1:4 upon 15 meter. Therefore length of, we will write from here, therefore the length of each piece. Therefore the length of each piece is equal 1:4 upon 15 meter. Okay students, I think there should be no problem in these 5 questions. But if you have any problem, you can ask from me. Today we will do up to here. Now 3 questions left. Question number 6, 7 and 8. These 3 questions and these 2 example. Example 13 and example 14. I will explain in the next class. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.